Hey guys, thanks so much for clicking on our channel. We really do appreciate that. So today we were pretty much winterizing our stuff for the season because we're just about done here with leaves. And we got a last minute call for a down tree, which we are Kelly's lawn service, not Kelly's tree service. But if they fall down, we usually clean them up for our customers anyway. So today we're going to clean them up and then we'll touch up the leaves in the yard while we're here. And we'll see you. All right, well, here she is. Not too bad, the tree, actually. And it's in a pretty good spot over here, so we're kind of out of the way. I believe it's actually the neighbor's tree. And half of that tree, oh, it's definitely dead. But we're not gonna touch that because that's the neighbor's tree. We're just gonna take it from where it broke there. We're gonna chop it up and we're gonna put it in the woods in the back there because they have plenty of room. So we're gonna start cutting all these branches up first and we'll go from there. Okay, so anytime we doing tree work, which we don't do a lot of, but you have to always bring multiple saws because I don't know, chainsaws are kind of high maintenance sometimes, and sometimes they get a little fussy and you got to have another one. So this is kind of my go-to saw here. This is my MS250 stihl. Awesome saw. I think I bought it used. It's been great. And it's really lightweight and it's got a ridiculous amount of power. So most of this tree I can cut up with that, the MS250. If I need a little backup, maybe a little heavier, I got the 462. I bought this one new. It came with a mortgage, I think. It's a great saw. It's got crazy power, and I think I have the 20-inch bar on it because I don't usually go, but we do have I think a 28 also. And then just because I like to bring this out and play once in a while, this is my old, what is it? Oh, the 831 AV. This is probably older than me, this saw. It's probably early 70s. It was my father's, and it's got some sentimental value, so I still take it out and play with it every once in a while just to keep it going. So we got that, and we'll start out with the 250. Alright, so we're going to fire up the old antique here. It hasn't, we haven't used this thing in, oh my god, well over a year at least. So we put some new fuel in it and we checked the plug, looks good, chain's sharp. So just for the sake of playing with it, we're gonna take this out and see what we can do with it. The old style here, locking trigger, manual choke, on-off switch. She's fun. Probably been a year, well over a year since I cleaned it up. Sounds like it needs a little tiny adjustment on the high end, but this thing still rips. All right. What is it? Work smarter, not harder? So there you have it, folks. Tree is all cleaned up, and this is one of our regular customers, so we were here and they asked us if we could touch up their leaves, which we already did. Their leaves, I don't really think they needed a touch up, but we were here anyway, so the yard is all cleaned up. They are ready for winter. And like I said, the other half of that tree is on the neighbor's side there, and it's pretty dead, but it's leaning pretty hard toward their side, so we're not going to touch that because we are Kelly's Lawn Service, not Kelly's Tree Service. And just a couple of quick tips for you. This is not a safety video, and we are a lawn service, not a tree service. And I don't by any means like to tell people what to do when it comes to cutting trees, but I tell you what, chainsaw is a really unforgiving tool, and trees are always out to get you. So even if you think it's a small job and you're not 100% sure, don't do it. Trust me, don't do it. Let the professional tree guys do it, because they know what they're doing, they know the risks, and it is not worth getting hurt over. So that's it for now. We'll be back. Here we are. So overall, we got the job done. It came out really nice, and our old antique chainsaw, I don't know the exact year on that one. Maybe if somebody does know the year, but I'm pretty sure it was early 70s. It kicked butt. It worked really good, and it's just nice. I like old tools. I like to play with them every once in a while. So we took it out. It did the job, and now we are going to get ready for winter. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Peace.
Bye.